Hello, I wanted to make this quick video. It's a very simple way to copy a pair of shorts that you might already have with an elastic waistband, or for example, you could use a pair of sweats and remake them in another fabric. I tried to make it as easy and comprehensible as possible. I will in the future make hopefully better pattern making tutorial, but I hope this is understandable enough. So first of all, I wanted to start from how a pair of pants or shorts in this case is made. The easiest version is 4 pieces per side, and basically you have a belt that in this case is going to be made with an elastic band inside for sizing, a front panel, a back panel, and a pocket. The front panel has a shorter line in the front where basically you have the crotch. The back panel is higher, so it gives a better visibility. And the pocket in this case is one single piece folded in half. In one side you have the same cut of the shape of the pocket, and the other side basically just completes the front panel. So here I have a pair of shorts that I made a long time ago. It was sort of a prototype. It's lace. Don't think about it. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the shape, basically. What I'm gonna do is fold them inside out and lay them flat. Basically, the idea is I'm gonna trace the shape of the shorts I have in order to make a pattern for the new ones. Now, these have an elastic waistband, which means I'm gonna start from the bottom because that's not stretchy, so it's not gonna move. Then, trying to keep it still, stretch the waistband. So basically, I'm gonna get the true measurement of the pattern, like so. And then I'm gonna put little dots here and there in the corners. So I have all these points that basically I just have to join with a line, like that. That's the end of my pocket. Now, since I started from a pant with a slightly weird shape, for example in the pockets, I'm gonna do a little modification, but assuming you're gonna start from a commercial pair of pants or something that you bought, it's already gonna be easier to just copy what it is. So I slightly changed the shape and basically tilted the pocket a bit more, but nothing special. So this is the back, same exact thing. Trace the point, just join every point with a line, just to get a very rough pattern, but since we're working with stretchy fabrics, it doesn't matter. Now for the pocket, I'm copying the whole pocket that I traced. On one side, I'm gonna have the side of the pant, and on one side the cut for the pocket. Now folding it in half and cutting it, basically you'll see what shape I'm gonna get. There you go. So this simple piece, once it's gonna fold in half, it's gonna make our pocket. Now cutting every piece we have, just making sure the lines match for the pockets. checking the waist, making sure we have a nice simple line at the crotch area without any bumps. And I'm gonna check the sides now and the hem at the bottom. There is a little gap there, as you can see. It's very little, very easy to just join them so we don't have a gap in the final pant where we make it. So like that, just straighten the line, cut everything. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to cut the fabric starting from a pattern like that and how to put it together. And you'll see it's very, very easy once you actually do the whole thing. So here's all the pieces. If you measure the waistband, it should be the same size as the circumference where your butt is, which is the widest. And that's gonna assure you that the size is good.